So how was work?
Fine.
Ah, it's mac and cheese. Knock yourself out. So it was fine.
Yeah. Fine.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
Well, you know what's funny? Is that I went by the restaurant today just to see how you were and maybe tell you how proud I was of you for sticking it out. And guess what?
Don't start
You
this
haven't
shit.
worked at the grease pit for 2 months.
You don't know what it's like.
I don't know what it's like to have your life ripped out from underneath you like a rug you buy at Walmart on sale. I don't know. Your father was everything to me. Every last thing. So don't bullshit me, Rory. I'm doing my best here, but I'm in pain too. And watching you blow your life up just makes everything that much worse.
I had to go back. You're running, Mom. You're running from Dad. And me? I gotta look out for me because you won't be there to do it.
You gotta be out by Friday.